Hey there, I'm Kit, and welcome to Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona, where we show you the best parts of a board game in a minute. Today we'll be showcasing Evil Hat Productions' story-building card game For the Queen. This one is for 2 to 6 players, ages 13 and up, with games running half an hour to 2 hours. Let's dig in. Here's the game. For the Queen is unlike the majority of board and card games in that it is a story-building game, where you and up to 5 other players collaboratively tell a story of love, betrayal, doubt, and devotion. The cards are divided into 4 stacks: the red prompt card stack, the green instructions stack, the blue queen cards, and the single purple X card. Once this is done, go around the table and read the instruction cards aloud to prepare the story for players. Pull the card that reads "The Queen is under attack" and place it back into the prompts deck, either halfway down for a short game or towards the bottom of the deck for a longer one. Players may randomly choose a queen from the queen deck, or they may search through the deck to find one that the entire group would be willing to place their lives on the line for. Continue through the instructions deck, which will lead the group to begin drawing from the prompts deck. Answer the questions as if you were the guardian of the queen yourself, and build the story with your crew. You're allowed to pass on cards you don't care to answer by tapping the X card and discarding it permanently, or you may offer another player the opportunity to answer the prompted question. Once the group reaches "The Queen is under attack" card, all players must describe what they do, and then the game ends. For the Queen isn't a game with winners or losers, it's a game that's meant to create an interactive, evolving story. This game is perfect for players who enjoy RPGs and tabletop RPGs, or creatively minded players who often feel hemmed in by rules, or even players who end up as bad winners and losers at the table. If you're the kind of player who enjoys the journey more than the destination, For the Queen might just be the perfect addition to your game collection. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona. Stay vigilant, gamers!